In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the microphone is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Now on this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on More Privacy Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option for Permission Manager. Now just tap on it. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on the option for microphone. Now on this page, just scroll down and select the app with which you are facing the microphone problem. For example, I'll select this app. Now if it is on Don't Allow, just select Allow while using the app. And after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page. And from here, just tap on Connections. On this page, just tap on Bluetooth and check if Bluetooth is turned on your phone or not. If Bluetooth is turned on, just turn it off. Now if Bluetooth is turned on your phone might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones or your earbuds, and this might be why the microphone is not working of your phone. So just turn off Bluetooth, then just go to your home screen and open the quick settings. Then tap on the power icon and from here just select Restart. Now just tap on the restart icon and perform a restart on your phone. And after the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed after the restart, then just grab your phone and check if the speakers of your phone are blocked by any dust or debris. If you find dust or debris stuck in the microphone holes, just use a soft brush to clean the microphones of your phone. After that, just go back to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Software Update. And just tap on Check for Updates and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your phone. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just open the quick settings one more time and tap on the power icon. But this time just tap and hold on the power off icon until the safe mode option appears on the screen. Now just tap on safe mode, then wait for a couple of seconds for your phone to boot into safe mode. Now once your phone boots into safe mode, then just check if the microphone is working on your phone or not. If you have noticed that the microphone problem has been fixed after you have entered into safe mode, then this means that this issue is being caused by a third-party app which you have installed. To fix this issue, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just scroll down and look for any app which you don't remember installing. And also look for any apps or games which you have installed recently. For example, I'll select this app. Now after that, just tap on Uninstall. Now just do that for any app which you have installed recently. And also if there is any app or game which you don't remember installing, just delete it from here. After that, just perform a restart on your phone to get out of safe mode. Now if you have done that, but if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on General Management. Under the General Management settings, just scroll down and tap on Reset, and on this page you will find the option for Reset All Settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Select Continue, then tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your phone to the default Samsung settings, including the settings of your Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem on your phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.